There has never been a better time than now to be in the travel industry. The demand for travel is at an unprecedented high, and now is the perfect opportunity for travel professionals in search of better tools and technology to find a new host. Cruise Planners is the premier travel franchise network in the country, with award-winning marketing, innovative booking, and customer management tools, as well as industry-leading professional development training and support. Cruise Planners takes a hands-on training approach with the industry's top executives and gives advisors access to top suppliers and credible industry recognition. Cruise Planners is a pioneer in developing innovative technology and just launched the patent-pending communication platform LivePlanner. Franchise Business Review recognized Cruise Planners as best in category 3 years in a row and number 2 in top 200 franchises overall. Franchise Business Review also awarded Cruise Planners as top low-cost franchise, top franchise for veterans, and top franchise for women. Entrepreneur Magazine named Cruise Planners the #1 travel franchise for 18 consecutive years in a row. Industry-leading technology that lets you work from anywhere includes a robust custom-built CRM and booking system, agent and client mobile apps, marketing automation programs, and other tools to make you efficient. Award-winning marketing to attract new customers includes direct mail programs, email and social media, a biannual magazine, and on-demand printing. We provide comprehensive training and ongoing one-on-one business development coaching to help you continue to grow your business. And unlike some other hosts, our home office does not sell travel. We are here to support you, not compete against you. For more information, please visit cruiseplannersfranchise.com.